Hey guys, welcome to the BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we'll talk about the Remix Gallery widget brought to you by the Pixel Gallery add-on for Elementor. Remix is a creative widget that has a striking hover animation that shrinks down the image inside while revealing the image title, meta, and a read more button. This interactive gallery interface can easily mesmerize your visitors into looking more at your image gallery. For better conversions and leads, it's best if you have used this kind of interesting gallery add-on for WordPress for better animation and user interactions. Alright, let me show you the backend customizations. The widget is already dropped inside the page. On your left, you will find the grid template column field, which determines the total number of columns used as the skeleton of this gallery. Then comes the row gap and column gap scroll bars that you can use to adjust the spacing between the items. Then there is a scroll bar to customize all item heights and a masonry switcher to transform the gallery. Then below, there are two switchers for showing or hiding the title and meta text on the gallery. The alignment option is for the texts, and you can change the dimension of all images inside the gallery using the image size option close to the bottom. Then click on the link option and select media file. Also set link target to only button. Only then you will be able to see the read more button on the hover screen of the gallery. The next section is called items, is where all gallery items are listed. You can add more by clicking the add item button, or close any current ones by the cross icon on the item boxes. Then click on the first item box and proceed with clicking the image field and selecting your first gallery image. Here, each gallery item may contain a maximum of one image. Then you can change the title text of the image. Once you are done with the rest of the items, you will end up with a complete gallery. Check by hovering over the items to see how your visitors will experience when they interact with the gallery. Now click on the first item box again, but this time go into the grid subsection. Here, change the value in the column span option, making the item a bit bigger than the rest. Same way, make the next one a bit smaller to fit next to the first item. Do the same thing for the 5th and 6th items as well, and you will end up with a unique shape of the gallery. With the per item shape customization, you can be creative with your gallery and try various possibilities and stand out easily. Now let's go to the Style tab for appearance customizations. In the first section, select the color type background and pick a color that you want. This will show as the background color that is visible on hover. Then change the padding value, and you can do more changes in the next sections like the image, play icon, or title. Then in the read more section, first go for the background color of the button. Set the white color with a matching lower opacity and see how it looks. Then pick white for the button text. Now switch to the hover menu and change the color tone of the button while picking a strong white for the background. Now you can see an eye-pleasing hover effect on the button. You can always adjust the colors as much as you like. Now minimize the controls and review the image gallery made with the Remix widget. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to get updates on new tutorial videos. Stay safe and see you next time.